Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my dashboard layout, which is my social media planner, and it is for the week of May 3rd through the 9th. This planner is called New Day, and it is a classic size happy planner. I'm just going through some books to try to figure out which ones I should use. I know that I would like to use a floral book, so I pulled a few ones like the Happy Blooms and Detailed Florals, kind of to see what's in there since I haven't used them in a bit. And the Layered Florals book, I found these beautiful, very vibrant flowers that I want to use. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and white out the focus section and go from there. I am going to apply this beautiful fuchsia flower at the corners. I think it's pretty incredible. Okay, I'm gonna white out that line as well. And while I am doing that, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you are new and just found me, welcome. I hope you like it here. So here we go. That's going to be the focus box, at least for now. And now I can focus on adding other florals into the spread. I'm not sure what these are. I think they're daisies, but I'm not 100% sure. But they're kind of bluish. So I'm going to be adding them to the top section. I think that's going to kind of look so cute. Look at that. It's almost perfect. I have one flower that's hanging out. It's not bad at all. These florals are so much fun. I'm gonna go ahead and start playing with them and kind of seeing what I can accomplish. Look at this yellow. Oh my gosh. It's so much fun. It's like so bright, and it's more of a summer than spring, but I really like it. So I'm gonna pop in this for a pop of even more color. That is definitely cute. And I really like these arched flowers. And they're in this beautiful like teal blue color, so they are absolutely perfect. I'm going to add them, I don't know, let's see. I'm gonna add them across from each other. I think that's gonna look good, like so. Like they are framing Tuesday and a Wednesday. And then let's go ahead and move to Thursday. I don't know what I should do. I'm just picking some flowers up to distribute them throughout the page. I don't know. Before that, I will add the saying, "You got this," and then maybe yay on top. So it'll be, "Yay, you got this." And then let's see, I'm going to be adding little details to the page and kind of making it complete. Make all the plans. And let's see if I can line it in a line so it looks like I wrote it. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna add this big yellow flower right on top, like so, and then I can cut off the top. There we go. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little leaf to this one, like an individual leaf to make it even more colorful and kind of add that green into it. Okay, I'm just collecting flowers to make sure that I can go ahead and make little clusters throughout the page. I think that's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna add a lot to my page. So here we go, I'm almost ready. I just pre-made these clusters. They are loose flowers. So it's 3 individual flowers and I just stuck them together. And I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to remove this foil sticker and add the other types of paper stickers like I did here, where I'm just clustering them up, and I think it's going to look pretty good if all of them are more or less uniform like this. I need to bring some yellow onto the side of the tasks list for sure. I am going to add this cluster right onto Tuesday and Wednesday like so. Yep, I think that looks good. I want it to be very balanced and beautiful, so here we go. And even though it has a lot of colors and a lot going on, I think I can still work on balancing it out. Okay, I'm gonna add that cluster right onto there, and that will bring in the pink and the yellow right into the middle of the page. And then I need to work on getting some of the blue, the darker blue, onto the calendar side. And for sure I need boxes, so let me cover up in these prompts and see how that looks, and then I'm gonna grab a few more loose stickers and add them to the other side. Can you see how loved this book is? It's like falling apart on me. There's not much, there's so little left in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take gold. I think gold will actually look good with this spread, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and add 4 of them to cover up the prompts as always. In case you guys want to see those spreads after the pen, I usually do show them at the end of the month. I flip through all of my planners and show you what they look like when they're completed. So please stay tuned for that. I am looking forward to showing you April. Okay, like I said, I am missing those blues. To me it feels a little bit unbalanced, so I'm gonna add a few little things, and I think that will be pretty much finished. So let me see if I can add a couple of those blue small florals. There we go, that's gonna be one. So right on the edge of Monday. Let me cut that off and see what that looks like. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, now I feel like the Thursday and like Friday needs just a little bit of something. So let's go ahead and try to add that. Okay, and there's a big blue floral in here, and I'm gonna cut it in half and add it to 2 separate sides of the page and see if that does the trick. If I can peel it up. Oh my gosh, what a mess. Sometimes having longer nails when you're planning is not ideal. Okay, so let's add that right there. And then this on Friday. And yeah, I'm trying to see, but yeah, I need this on maybe right here. Yep, that looks great. I think I am finished. It is super busy, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll see you guys soon for another plan with me very, very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.